So in today's video we're going to talk about how to promote products from the Warrior Plus forum. I'm Mike from mikelucasonline.com, and if it's your first time to my channel, then I'd appreciate you commenting, liking, and if you find this video helpful, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep updated for future videos. I've also left a link in the description and the first pinned comment below to a simple step-by-step blueprint that I'm using to take my affiliate marketing to the next level. So with that said, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you how to promote products from the Warrior Plus forum. Hi guys, here we are at Warrior Plus, and if you type in warriorplus.com, this is the homepage you'll come to, and we start off with a Warrior Plus account, and it's quite straightforward. You select a username, password, the usual stuff, and you create your account. As simple as that. Then before you start promoting products, this is where you'll come through to the marketplace. Let's go home, because these are the top products. Okay, this is probably where you would end up, or when you log in, this is probably the first page, and it generally defaults to, it says today's vendors. Okay, and there's the top 10. Okay, so this isn't a tutorial on how to use Warrior Plus, but it is quite straightforward. You can see you got your tabs up the top here. You can sort by vendor, your affiliate, but generally I'll come down here. Well, let me go here first, show you the categories, and here you'll find all your categories that you can choose from. You see you got the deal of the day. Let's go and have a quick look at that. I say I don't want to spend too much time inside here because this isn't what it's about. So become a video superhero, that's right, the video guy, yeah, okay, I know him. So that's the deal of the day. Top products really is possibly the best place to start, and I think we was already on that page, wasn't we? David Perdue is well known vendor. So that is Warrior Plus. So how do we promote them? Well, first of all, yeah, we need the account, which we've done. Secondly, let me go back to the right slide. I hope you don't mind me using my slides. We've opened up an account, and that's why I've got a big arrow coming down to it. This is what most new affiliate marketers don't do, a website. Okay, and I get frightened by that name, website. Let me show you mine. Okay, and this is it. It's a one-page website. I've just got the legal stuff at the bottom, which is required, and that is your website, and it doubles as step 3, a landing page. Okay, you may have noticed there, it's just a form where I build my list. So when a visitor comes here, there's only two things they can do. They can either read what I've got to say here and think, yeah, I'll have a look at that, and enter their email address, or leave. Okay, and the fourth thing, autoresponder, and that's what happens then. Someone fills the email field in and they're added to your autoresponder list. Now the important thing to remember here is that that list belongs to you. This website landing page belongs to you, you are in complete control of this. And the other thing to bear in mind, with having your own website, landing page, autoresponder, all that real estate online belongs to you. But the other thing to remember is that down here on step 4, with the traffic being, if you look at driving traffic on a paid option and you're using AdWords and say Facebook, then they don't allow direct linking from the product vendor straight to their sales page. You have to have a website / landing page in between, otherwise you can't advertise on Google or Facebook. So whilst we're here on step 5, traffic, free traffic, and I've got, as I say there, recommended, and that's what I'm doing. And the training that I'm following is a simple traffic blueprint, and it teaches how you can build a YouTube channel for the long term. It's not a quick overnight push button system. This is the longer term that drives traffic to your landing page here, and by doing that you're building your list too, so that you can keep in contact with your visitors to your website, because most people don't purchase on the first visit. You need to have, you know, they reckon about 7 contacts with someone before they begin to trust you to buy what you recommend. And then lastly, step 6, a good product to promote. And as I've just said, the product that I'm actually using is Simple Traffic Blueprint, and that is the product that I am promoting, basically because it works. I have first-hand experience with it. I'm using it, I know what it's about. And I'll put a little note underneath there: not health, wealth or relationships. Some courses, most courses, when they have about new affiliate marketing, they say go to health, wealth and relationships because they're big, and they are. They're massive niches, but they're also very competitive. And as a new affiliate marketer, you may find it difficult to break into these niches. So my advice would be to stay away from these and find smaller niches. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. So there we have it. Basically, there's the 6 steps. Warrior Plus account, just go and sign up there. A website / landing page to collect your visitors' email addresses, and traffic source, YouTube, that I'm using, which of course is free, or you can go down the paid route, but bear in mind you won't be able to direct link to products, and a good product to promote. And I personally would advise you to stay away from the 3 big ones. Okay, so hope that makes sense, and if you found this video useful, then hit the subscribe button, which will reveal the notification bell, and keep yourself updated for future videos that I'll be uploading to my channel. And I'm Mike from mikelucasonline.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.